Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Kristyn from Barbie and the Pink Shoes in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color. This is for the color code, and for this hairstyle you can change the toggle back and remove the flowers, and for this hairstyle you can choose no bangs. Okay, and you're going to go to the corset area. It's right here, and select this corset, and then we're going to color it with this pink color. Wait, let me show you the color code, this one. And for the next one, you're going to color it with this color, and then make it this color, and for the fourth selection, make it this color. Okay, and then for the last selection, you're just going to make it this color, just leave it like that. Okay, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. You can make all of the materials glitter, but sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can work, can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the changing room, and then I'm going to wear the Madoka set. I'm going to choose the ballerina skirt, wait, this one, and then I'm going to remove the bows, and I'm going to color it with the same color. But wait, let me add this mirror heels. Okay, and now it's time to make them have the same pink color. Okay, it's done, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, it's really beautiful, right? And then for the shoes, for the heels, I mean, I'm going to make it this color, make it pink. Alright, and then I'm going to move to the VIP room because we need items from there. I'm going to add this crown, this one, and you're going to color the diamond with the pink color. Okay, like this guys, and then I'm going to choose this necklace. Okay, and then I'm going to make it pink. Alright guys, and this is for the final result. Oops, sorry, I'm going to change the mirror heels to ballet shoe. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Kristyn from Barbie and the Pink Shoes. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!